How to upload audio files on Google Drive. What is up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily upload any kind of audio files or MP3 files on your Google Drive. So let's just get right into it. The very first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome application, and after you've opened it up, you're going to find the Google Apps icon at the right side of your screen. And then once you get in there, you'll find the Drive option. Just click on it to open up your Google Drive. Once you get on your Drive, you should be able to see all of the files that are on your Drive. As you can see, I've already gotten an MP3 file here on my Drive. If I just open it up, it will play the audio right here. So this is only the audio format. I can adjust the volume. And once you've done that, in order to import a new audio file, I'm just going to create a new folder here saying audio. Once you have created the folder, head inside there, click on this new option or right click and click on new file upload. I'm just going to go ahead and click on file upload. Then I'm going to go to my downloads where there is this the audio file right here. This is the MP3 file. I'm going to double click on it and wait for it to load. So once the audio file is completed, you could just go ahead and open it up and you can hear the audio. Let me just unmute my desktop audio. And if I do this and open this, here you should be able to hear the audio. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.